Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab M9 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here in the general settings we have to scroll in order to find the apps. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on all apps. And here, 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on Reset App Preferences, and as you can see, your device is informing you what it will actually reset. So, among others, the disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps. And basically this is it. This is how to reset app preferences in this Lenovo device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.